Hello internet, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you see, we want to show you how we are going to roast our plantain. So follow us as we're about to prepare it. So let's start with fire. Philip, carry your bicycle out. Manana loluwo hand fan wa. Lọ wo bóyá o máa rí.
Mama. No, I think
So beautiful people, as you see, it's almost ready. So thank you for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friends and family. This roast plantain, it will be delicious, okay? Oh, beautiful people, our plantain is ready. So thank you for watching. I think this one is ready. Philip, come and take off. Wow, Philip is still hot. It's hot. This is yummy. Philip is auto. Oh no, I love Julie. Julie. Yeah, Jen, no, I'll give you this one. Wow. Beautiful people, come and join us. Oh. Thank you for watching. I think it's ready. Let's take it down.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you for watching. Emmanuel, I say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Mom. That's a